I mean, for me, it's helpful to think about neighborhoods through two different routes of early adopters. One route is what we're calling the community activator role. And community activators are people who want to spin up networks, where they can chat, they can coordinate, they can have their sharing circle of whatever sort, but they don't necessarily want to conform to the dictates of a big platform. So they want to basically be able to bundle together a bunch of simple tools for their community and then get together with that community and say, hey, what do we care about? What's important? How do we want to design our culture? How do we want to design, the metrics that we use to make sense of what's going on in our space? So that's one route. And then another route is the developer route. Um, and so these are people who want to experiment with holochain. They want to build a bunch of fun little tools, that communities can use widely without necessarily having to be employed by a big tech company. Um, and and actually, I'll close the developer bit with a line from Paul Daust from Holo, who said something just fantastic in our Discord the other day, which was that he sees a lot of the holochain community developers converging on, he said, a design aesthetic that feels very neighborhoods compatible. And so neighborhoods is kind of reifying this existing sentiment into a formal approach.